DIVI Company proudly introduces the high-efficiency liquid fuel-fired boiler under the DIVI Boiler brand. The liquid fuel-fired boiler is compactly designed with a furnace tube and fire tube structure with natural circulation bypass, or a multi-pass water tube structure, installed vertically or horizontally depending on capacity and available installation space. This design helps save installation space and construction costs while ensuring convenient operation, easy maintenance for workers, and a high level of aesthetic design. From design and material procurement to manufacturing, every stage is strictly supervised to ensure stable operation and a minimum service life of 15 years. The boiler system is fully automated with PLC Control, significantly reducing operating manpower requirements. Specifically, liquid fuel boilers with a capacity below 30 tons of steam per hour require only one operator per shift. As a result, customers can significantly reduce operating labor costs compared with other boiler types. Fuel is combusted inside the furnace using multi-stage burners or modulating burners. The fuel supply to the boiler is automatically adjusted according to the boiler pressure signal. When the boiler pressure decreases, the burner automatically increases the fuel supply. When the boiler pressure increases, the burner automatically reduces the fuel supply to maintain stable pressure. Fuel input is optimized according to the plant's actual load demand, saving fuel while meeting environmental standards. DIVI liquid fuel-fired boilers can operate with various fuels to meet customer requirements. These fuels include diesel oil, mazout oil, gas, CNG, and LNG. The system delivers high efficiency and stable steam generation. The boiler system is optimized to minimize heat loss to the surrounding environment. As a result, the boiler efficiency can reach up to 95%. Due to the relatively clean characteristics of the fuels used, the boiler generally does not require a complex flue gas treatment system. However, when using fuels with high sulfur content, such as mazout oil, cashew shell oil, or refined rubber oil, an additional absorption tower system is required. This system ensures that emissions released into the environment meet Vietnamese and international standards. Water quality is continuously monitored, controlled, and evaluated on a daily basis. This ensures durable operation, high efficiency, stable fuel consumption, and extended equipment lifespan. To ensure manufacturing quality, we provide up to a 60-month warranty for the main pressure vessel from the delivery date. We also offer operational supervision support for up to 5 years, enabling customers to operate the boiler system long-term without major repair costs. DIVI is proud to be a trusted, high-quality, and dedicated boiler solution provider that meets diverse customer needs. We offer a variety of flexible solutions for customers. Customers can purchase the boiler and receive technology transfer, along with operation training. Customers may purchase the boiler while DIVI manages the operation at low cost and takes full responsibility for the system. Alternatively, DIVI can invest in the entire boiler system, operate it, and supply steam according to the customer's demand. The liquid fuel-fired boiler system ensures reliable production with stable performance, durability, simple operation, and full compliance with environmental standards.